In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 000001F4. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the upper left side of the screen. Please navigate here at the search bar and type for Windows Store. Then once you have seen this find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it and then click on next and then run the troubleshooter. Okay, so this will help you with the app if the app is not working right. Okay, check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then let's move on to the next step. And that is you need to copy the command first at the YouTube description. Copy, then you need to paste it here at the notepad. Navigate to the button search bar, type for PowerShell. Then once you have seen the Windows PowerShell, please navigate to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. So you just have to Control C to copy and then make a right click here to paste it. Okay. So once you have pasted that one, click on the Enter key in your keyboard so that you can start the procedure. And the moment you are done with that, I want you to restart your PC and check if the error has been fixed. Okay. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good